Hi friends, this video shows how to block ads on Google Chrome browser. Let me open this Google Chrome. Tap on these three dots on top right corner. Go to settings. Tap here. Go down. Go to site settings. Go down. And here you can see pop-ups and redirects. So right now I have allowed pop-ups. See. Let me block it. Tap here. Disable this option. Done. Then go back. See, now it shows pop-ups and redirects blocked. So this way we can block pop-up ads. So let me enable it. If you want to enable, you can again come here, then tap here, then you can enable. We can allow pop-ups. So this way we can block or unblock pop-up ads. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.